Are you thinking about replacing your windows but not sure how much it's going to cost? From budget-friendly options to premium installations, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for the ultimate 2024 guide to replacement window costs. And if you make it to the end, we're going to share with you how to download our ultimate home remodeling guide that can help you plan your next home renovation project. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today, we're breaking down the cost of replacement windows for 2024. We'll cover everything from low-cost DIY options to high-end custom installations. Let's dive in. Replacement window costs can vary widely. On average, you can expect to pay between $500 and $1,000 per window, including materials and labor. However, prices can range from $200 for basic DIY projects to over $4,000 for custom, professionally installed windows. Low-cost window replacement projects typically range from $200 to $600 per window. These are basic windows often found at big box stores and are usually installed by the homeowner or a low-cost contractor. Features may include basic vinyl or aluminum frames, single pane glass, and standard sizes. They're suitable for tight budgets, rental properties, or large quantity replacements. Medium-cost projects usually range from $750 to $2,500 per window. These windows offer a balance of cost and quality. Features may include higher quality vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, double pane or low E glass, and some customization options. Ideal for homeowners looking for energy efficiency and aesthetics. High-cost projects typically cost between $3,000 and $5,000 or more per window. These are premium windows with extensive customization. Features for these windows could include premium wood, fiberglass, or composite frames, up to triple pane glass, and custom sizes and finishes. Perfect for high-end homes and those looking for a long-term value. There are several key factors that influence the overall cost of replacement windows, and they are: number one, the frame material. Vinyl, wood, aluminum, fiberglass, and composite each have different costs and benefits. Number two, window type. Single hung, double hung, casement, sliding bay, and bow windows all vary in price, so depending on what you pick, it's going to change that cost. Number three, customization. Unique shapes, sizes, colors, and finishes all add to the cost. Number four, glass type. Single pane, double pane, and triple pane glass each have different costs and installation properties. Number five, labor costs. Professional installation ensures quality but comes at a higher price. Number six, brand. High-end brands offer better quality and longer warranties but are more expensive. Number six, window replacement cost by frame material. Let's look at the costs based on different frame materials. Vinyl ranges $200 to $3,000 per window. Wood, $2,800 to $9,000 per window. Aluminum, $350 to $2,800 per window. Fiberglass, $1,500 to $5,000 per window. Composite, $2,500 to $4,000 per window. Finally, let's break down the cost by window style. A picture window can run anywhere from $280 to $4,600 per window. Single hung, $200 to $3,800 per window. Sliding window, $200 to $3,800 per window. Double hung window, $350 to $4,200 per window. Awning window, $450 to $3,600 per window. Casement window, $450 to $5,000 per window. And bay and bow windows, $5,000 to $15,000 per window. Replacing your windows is a significant investment, but understanding the costs can help you make an informed decision. Whether you're on a tight budget or looking for premium options, there's a solution for every home. Now that you know the costs, are you considering a window replacement? Well, to help you out, download our Ultimate Home Remodeling Guide linked above. And if you're in the San Antonio area, be sure to give us a call and schedule a complimentary commitment-free consultation with Southwest Exteriors by visiting southwestexteriors.com, or you can click the link in the description below. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.